Welcome to computer class. Today myself Ravinder Singh is going to teach about elementary HTML. In the last video we have seen how to create a static web page with the help of HTML. Now today we have discussed the different attributes of the body tag. The first attribute is basically text. By default when you write any text in the body it's displayed in the black color, but sometimes there is a requirement you want to change the text color of your body. That time you can use that text attribute. Now how can you write this code? So body text red, and write the any word, sentence or paragraph which you want to display in the different color, and this output will be visible here. Now look at see the demo. How can you apply this code? Open notepad, write HTML code. Title and head you can close because these are control elements. After writing this you can open body and write down the attribute text and write the color of the text. After writing this, write the text after writing this body and close the HTML. Now after writing this you can save your file, save as .ht file name, then write down extension is must compulsory. .html is the extension. Now how can you execute this file? So open your folder. In the folder, this is my file. Just see, right click, open with Internet Explorer. Now look at see, this is the output of the text, changing the color. Now come to the next topic is background. Background option is used to give the background image inside in the body. When you're giving the background any image in the background, you have to pass the URL of the image. URL means basically address of the image. So look at see the example. This is the background and write the address of the image. How can you copy the address? You paste the address of the image. Look at see on my screen. Right click on any image which you want to set as a background. Open this image in the Internet Explorer. When this image is open now, this address is given in the address bar. You can just copy this address, minimize this. Now you can open your notepad file, write down background and write the address of your image which you visible as a background. Control S must compulsory. So because changes we have changed. Now after opening this page, you can refresh it. Yeah, you can now look at see. Yeah, image will be set as a background. This is the way how to set the background color of the background image of the page. Now another topic is BG, means background color. You can also give the background color of the body. The code is BG color and write the name of the color which you want to set it. This is the code. Now how can you apply? Look at see. Open the notepad, write down BG color and write the name of the color. After writing this, again Control S and you can execute your file again where you to save it. Now I am opening this file. Now I am pressing refresh F5. Look, see the background color of the content is changed. Now come to the next topic, line breaks. This shortcut key line break is BR. BR is basically empty element. This BR element is used to break the line. How? So you can use just like in this way. It is empty element, so does not close the BR elements. Now how can you use the BR in a notepad? You create a web page, look at C, open the notepad. After opening the notepad, you can write down BR. Now after try write this, you can again save this, and you can again execute your file. See the output. Now this, look at C. The output is visible on my screen. Write down the heading elements like this. H1. You can write down a smaller, a capital. It's no problem. It's not a case sensitive language. After writing this, you can save your file, open your file and execute it. And I am pressing refresh. Now look at C. First size is bigger compared to H2. H2 size is bigger compared to H3. H3 size is bigger compared to H4. H4 size compared to bigger H5, and H5 compared size is bigger than H6. So this is the example of the heading elements. Now rest of the other elements we'll discuss in the next video.